Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about how to solve any problem in 5 easy steps or less. Ask yourself the following questions. Number 1, do I have a problem? How do I know if I have a problem? Well, what thoughts occupy most of your time? Those thoughts that make you worry or lose sleep at night. Number 2, is it my problem? It is something that I have full control over? If it's somebody else's problem that you're trying to solve, then congratulations, this is the end of your problem solving situation, because you can only solve your problems. Always the solution is within the problem, and if it's not your problem, you don't have the solution. What you can do, you can simply accept the fact that you cannot solve somebody else's problems, and worry and sleepless nights will simply disappear. So if the answer is yes, and you know you have a problem, and you know that you have the solution, access to the solution to that particular problem, ask yourself a very, very important question, which is number 3. Do I really want to find a solution to this problem? Or is it my spouse, parent, child, boss that wants me to find a solution to that problem? But I particularly don't want. If the answer is no, then this is the end of it for now. When you're willing to solve it, revisit the questions. And if the answer is yes, then ask yourself question number 4. What is the payoff of the problem? Be very true to yourself. Sit in the discomfort. And if you are ready and willing to solve this problem, the best answer will come to you. What does payoff mean? Well, we all are doing things because of various needs. And whatever meets that need is a payoff. Either the need for safety, for validation, for comfort. This might have been helpful at some point in time, but now is keeping you stuck. And your mind will try to come up with all kinds of justifications to prevent you from realizing your payoff. Why? Because your mind created the payoff to keep you safe and outside of any kind of suffering. Basically, to keep you where you are, to keep you in status quo position. And if you want to grow, this status quo is your worst enemy. Also, this is where resistance to change comes from. Have you noticed that I did not mention the word change until now? Because human mind cringes at the word change. And when you realize what the payoff is, then ask yourself question number 5. What is it out there that I can do to substitute what gives me a similar payoff that is less damaging to me? What would be a healthier option to what I'm doing now? Take one step at a time, 1 degree at a time, and please be kind to yourself. And continue this for at least 21 days to see some results. remember that salvation is individual. Nobody changes for somebody else. You only change for yourself. I'll see you soon.